Hi guys, this is Ashish and today's topic is how to make a woman want you again. Now guys, the problem is in today's society, in movies and around surroundings of yours, we have been taught that we should take care of the woman which you are dating, or you should be behind her, you have to keep texting her, you have to show your love to her, and when she is angry you have to persuade her. So because of this, lots of misunderstandings have been spread in the society, especially in the movies. It has been shown that the more you care, the more you are behind the girl, one day she will say a yes to you. Now the problem is this is way beyond the reality. The complete opposite is required to get her attraction again back. For example, if a girl backs out and if her messaging has dropped drastically or calling has dropped drastically, now most of the guys, what they do is they start calling her more. They start messaging her more. Sometimes they get so angry that they even say ki, you have got someone else or what? Why aren't you messaging me? You have been busy, or giving excuses. And they get angry and they lose their self-control. And because of which the interest of the lady which was to increase decreases more. Now guys, first thing you need to understand in these type of situations, when girls' interest level has dropped, you don't have to take a woman personally. Never ever take a woman personally whose interest has dropped, because she is not doing it purposely. First understand this. Her interest has dropped, which we can say in other words, the love quotient, the love measure has dropped. So you have to be very professional, and instead of taking this professionally, you have to think of increasing it, and that can only happen by backing out more. Note it, the backing out has to be more. If she has started backing out, you have to back out more. The more you back out, she will again come to you. Her interest will again rise. Because the absence which you are creating, the space which you are creating, that will develop the attraction. It's a very powerful thing. As the girls develop interest slowly, the girls lose also interest slowly. Since she has lost some interest, again, it will take some time to raise it. So whenever you back out, she will definitely contact you until and unless it's too late. It's too late. It has not gone beyond such a level that it cannot be reversed. Or if she is if she is a professional dater, or she was never interested in you. But if attraction is there, love is there, then she will definitely contact you if it's not too late. What I mean by that, if the interest is 10 and 5 is the threshold, so it shouldn't go below 5. If it goes below 5, then she's history. But most of the time it's not the case. And most of the times this is the case, that it drops below 5, then people come to me. And it's too late. I'm making this video so that most of the time people shouldn't commit this mistake before it's too late and they come to me. People come to me when it's too late. So when you back off, she will come to you, and then you have to set a date. Remember, texting, messaging or video calling is only used to set a date. We have to keep the texting, messaging and everything as low as possible. It has to be only used to set a date. If she contacts you from her side, it's an incoming. You have to accept the date. If she herself says let's go for a date, you have to accept it. But if she doesn't and just messages you, it's still an incoming. So you will have to set a date through that message. Or if she calls you, you have to set a date through that calling. You don't have to ignore. Mind it, I'm not telling you have to ignore her completely. For example, if she calls you, don't pick up her call at that point of time, maybe later on. But you have to pick up. And if not, then you have to call her back. Or else it will be considered as ignorance. So you have to set a date. When she calls or message, set a date. Of course, completely these things cannot be avoided. You have to message something, but you have to keep it minimum. You don't have to get personal that you have to be that you have got someone else, or you're dating someone else, because that's not the thing. Maybe sometimes this also happens, that when her interest has dropped below a certain level, she may cheat on you. She may take a revenge on you, but don't take her personally at that time. The crux is that you have to increase her interest level to such an extent that she can't think of another man, and she won't ever cheat on you or take a revenge on you. Let her feelings develop slowly, and get the idea of this films, society and all these things, giving her flowers and saying sorry. If you have committed a mistake, say sorry once and that's it. You don't have to keep saying sorry again and again. That won't raise her interest level. Just apologize and back off. The thing which will increase her interest level is backing off. The more you back off, then her she backing off, then the more interest she will have towards you. And she's not doing it purposely, guys. So never take her personally. Some people may lose there and say, I'm a commit suicide. Some people may say that I will kill you. and these type of stuffs. These are the worst things a person can do. Begging, killing, that will hurt you yourself in the long run, and it won't work. But remember that you have to do these things before it's too late. So what is the logic in short? I would tell you have to back off more, and when she contacts you, set a date. If she doesn't contact you at all for 1 or 2 weeks, then you text her once a week to set a date directly. Hi, what's up? For example, hi, what's up? Wanna catch up for dinner tonight around 9 a.m.? I'll pick you up. That's it, something like that. Wait for her reply. If she will mostly say a yes if her interest is intact to some extent. But if she says a no, she will definitely give a counter offer. That I'm not free on Monday. For example, Monday you set a date. So she may say, I'm not free on Monday. Let's go on Tuesday or Wednesday. But if she doesn't do that also and rejects on Monday also, then there is a dicey situation that she may have lost interest to that level that cannot be reversed. So again, I would say that after 1 week, give it again a shot. Same thing. If it doesn't work that time also, leave her. But before this second week, if she approaches in between, set a date. And if she accepts, keep seeing. So this will continue on till her interests keep rising. Like the way you met her first time, same logic has to be followed now. Now guys become so weak after a while that they start opening up so much. They are not mystery. They tell everything. And once they... one more thing I wanted to tell you. At the start, whatever you wanted was happening. Girl was listening to you, was behaving according to you. So you were happy. But now suddenly when her interest has dropped and she's not messaging or calling or the frequency has lessened, you are thinking, what the hell? Now things are not happening according to me. And why the hell this is not happening? This is more of the guy's thinking, which is very wrong. And this will drown them. This will really drown them why these things are not working according. This will work according to you, but follow my techniques for backing out. You don't have to take women personally. And the toughest part is when the interest level is lower, the more tougher it is to raise. For example, if 10 and 5 are the threshold, if it is 10 or 9, then it's easier to raise. 8, it's easier to raise. But as soon as it goes lower, from 7 it's little tougher. 5, 6, again tougher. 5, again it's tougher. Because here the logical sense of her works more. So it's much tougher. So I hope I cleared my doubts, guys. So women are not taken to be personally. They behave according to their interest level, which is the measure of love. So you don't have to take her personally and think of increasing her interest level. And trust me, what logics I am telling, this will definitely increase her interest level until and unless it's too late. And on interest level, I will definitely make a video for sure. You can have a look in future. So guys, this is Ashish signing off. And if you like my video, please do like, subscribe, share this video as much as possible, comment so that I know what's going on, and also comment if you want a particular video to be made on a particular topic. If you have any doubts, comment. You are always welcome because I will get motivation through that. So share this video, and I want this world to have the right knowledge. These dating gurus and films and all, they are all creating false paradise. Like if you see other dating gurus, they say eye contact, so you can impress a girl. With this talk, you can impress a girl. Yeah, that is there to some extent, but until and unless the girl is interested in you, nothing can happen. So this is Ashish signing off. Thank you.